going on, guys? It's been a while. Since the last video, a lot's changed. Moved locations, got a couple more cars, stuff like that. So I'm in a different garage, as you can see. Got a lot of shit piled in this one little one bay, but anyways. I picked up a 05 Legacy GT with unknown issues from a friend of mine. Come to find out that the motor, that guy right there, had some issues, had to get taken out. What I'm going to do is, well, what I am doing is I took the motor from the orange car, I refreshed it right here, did all the gaskets, everything, went all the way through it. I put all the Legacy GT stuff onto it, along with the VF52 that's on it. There's ID1000s with the fuel rail kit. There's a bunch of other stuff on it. Samco, inlet, a bunch of random shit. The car has a Perrin front mount on it, Brembo brakes, some Brodas, some other random Cusco bits, stuff like that. It is a 5-speed. What I'm doing is orange car motor right here into this pig. Hopefully in a few more days that'll happen, so I can have it up and running out of the garage, so I can get the orange car back in here, so I can either refresh that with bearings all the way through, all the other fun stuff, or I have another block in the back that I can redo that I got a while back from my brother-in-law Dan. Main reason for getting this car, besides it being a smoking deal, was I don't know, I guess get into a little bit more of the road course racing, stuff like that, because of all the COVID going on. No rally crosses, no hill climbs, but track days are happening. And I figured this would be a great track day car. And also bring it to a few hill climbs here and there, see what's what. But I just wanted to update. It's been a while. I miss you guys. For those that actually do follow me, thank you for following. Like, comment, share, all that fun shit. But yeah, next video, this motor will be going in and hopefully start up. Here's to hoping, I guess. But yeah, check back for more info. I'll do more updates, and when we actually start racing, that's when the shit will actually start getting more entertaining. So in the meantime, thanks for checking back. I don't know, we'll see what's going on next step. Hopefully it's actual road course after startup, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, check back for more. Thanks. Bye.